Assalamu alaikum. This is Real Life Maths Preschool 3 Reader Plus workbook suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 25 and page number 26. Look at this, children. This is a watermelon and this is an apple. Listen again, children. This is a watermelon and this is an apple. Children, watermelon is heavy in size. This is a watermelon and watermelon is heavy. And this is an apple, children, and apple is light. The watermelon is heavy in weight and an apple is light in weight. So this is a heavy watermelon and this is an light apple. This watermelon is heavy in weight and this apple is light in weight. You can see, children, this is a watermelon which is heavy in weight and this is an apple which is light in weight. So this is heavy and this is light. Remember, children, this is heavy and this is light. Okay, children, now you have to draw a heavy watermelon here in this space. So first you have to draw a heavy watermelon and then you have to color the same heavy watermelon up to down. So children, you have to draw a heavy watermelon here in this space and then you have to color that watermelon up to down. Okay, children, now look at this. This is an apple and you know apple is light in weight. Children, you have to color this apple. But remember, children, watermelon is heavy in weight and apple is light in weight. So you have to draw a heavy watermelon and then you have to color that watermelon and you have to color this light apple. This is an apple which is light in weight. You have to color this apple up to down. You will not color this apple left to right. So children, first you have to draw a heavy watermelon and then you have to color this light apple. This was our page number 25, children, and this is our page number 26. Look at this, children. There are some candles. Let's count these candles, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Children, these are 11 candles and this is 11 in number and this is 11 in words. These are 11 candles, children, and this is 11 in number and this is 11 in words. Now say with me, children, 11 candles. Say again, children, 11 candles. Say one more time, children, 11 candles. Okay, children, now look at this. This is 11 in number and this is 11 in words. Children, you have to trace this 11 in words and then here in this box you have to write 11 in number by yourself and on these 4 lines you have to write 11 in words by yourself. Look at this, children. There are some more candles in this picture. Let's count these candles, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are 12 candles, children. Listen again children, these are 12 candles and this is 12 in numbers and this is 12 in words. These are 12 candles children, this is 12 in number and this is 12 in words. Now say with me children, 12 candles. Say again children, 12 candles. Very good children. Okay children, now look at this. This is 12 in number and this is 12 in words. Children, you have to trace this 12 in words and then you have to write 12 in numbers here in this box and you have to write 12 in words in these 4 lines by yourself. And in the remaining lines children, you have to write the number and words by yourself. This was our page number 26 children, where you have to write 11 and 12 in numbers in these boxes and you have to write 11 and 12 in words on these 4 lines.